to Granny. What do you want to say to Granny? Bakit? Ayaw mo mali si Granny? Ayaw? Ha? Ba't umiyak si Mandy? Mamimiss mo si Granny? Dahil? Bakit po? Say something. Say something. Bakit? Bakit?
No.
Ba't umiyak si Mandy? Say something. Why? Why are you crying? Because? Bakit? Tell her. What do you want to say?
Hello, Mandy. How are you doing?
You guess what is this? This is Sika or not? Did you guess it? It's a Sika? Yes, it is a Sika.
Where?
See?
Let us see it.
I didn't buy this. I didn't waste my money.
Where did you get that sticker?
I get it from the doctor. And look,
Why?
I have allergy.
Why did you go to the doctor?
It's because I got allergy.
You got allergy? Could you show it to us?
And I'm allergic to
what?
to chocolate and candies.
Whoa, no more sweets. Oh, that's a good doctor, right?
Yeah, you're right.
Are you sure? You're not gonna eat any more of your favorite candies and sweets? Why were you crying earlier?
Because I want Granny. She's not allowed to go anywhere, but I guess she already did.
Because you miss going to the beach?
Yes. Be careful with your allergy.
That's all?
Close your eyes, everyone.
What?
Wait this. There we go. Yay.
We're stuck in traffic here, guys. How are we doing?
Good.
But we're not doing good. So traffic, look at this. We've been here for how many hours, Mandy?
6 times.
6 times.
Wow.
Go there. Mandy, would you like to smell this cologne?
Okay.
Hero.
No.
What's the smell? What's the smell?